recipes we are going to see now. First of all, I am going to prepare puri. Take 2 cup of wheat atta. I am not using maida. I won't use much probably. I will try to avoid. Half cup of suji. Then add salt as per the taste. I used to use pink salt. Sugar also I have added, and add the oil and mix it well. If you add suji, the puris will become crispy, so I like crispy puris, soft and crispy. So I have added the suji. Mix it well. Don't make very rough kind of atta dough. You can make it soft. Add the oil upper of the dough so it will be soft. Keep this one, whatever you have prepared puri dough, on 10 to 20 minutes aside. So now 20 minutes done, you can see how soft it is. So make the small balls of this dough. You can cut it, or you can make, if you know the size, it can come the same size. So make it round shape, give it round shape. So make all balls round. Keep it aside. Now we start preparation of puri. How to prepare? We can take oil. Give the round shape. We are preparing in oil, so use oil only. If you use atta, it will be dry, and that will, all atta will live in oil, so oil will be destroyed, and that won't look good also. So I use oil only. Sometime I use atta, so I am telling this my experience. You can make the puris thick. If you make very thin, it will come like crispy, and it won't be give proper shape. I will show you my first puri become like that. So next puris are become a bulge. It is a puffy kind of. So you can see it. I will prepare 1 2 3 puris, and I'll start to fry it. The dough become very soft, it will go easily. I can spread. Make it a little bit thick, otherwise it won't bulge. Puffy it won't be. So you can see it. Hey guys, please watching my videos, you can hit my like button and share and subscribe. You can comment me the recipes, how I'm preparing, anything you have suggestions or anything difference. So you please watch all the videos, because this is some of the recipes are my own trial and error. So you can watch that. See, this puri I made bit thin, so it is not bulged properly. But the taste is very nice. You can try it once. Whatever the shape, also the taste is nice. So this is also one side bulged. It should be bulged properly, but not bulged. Okay, 90% is fine. 90, not 80% this side. This is first puri. Now onwards it will become bit good. See, you can see this puri. So how to fry in oil, deep fry, you can see it. I will use olive oil. You can use refined oil, whatever oil you have. So whenever preparing, you can keep upper side oil like this, so it will bulge easily. You can see it. So how you are doing, while doing one by one puri, it will start bulging and it will give puffy shapes. So this is almost perfect. Puris are ready. So you can try it, see how soft it is, how crispy it is, not even sticky. You can try it once. This is the puri recipe. I hope you like this.